Yep, the flying spur. That is badass.
That red car is really cool.
Yeah.
You know what it is?
Bugatti.
It's a Bugatti.
It's not a Royale though. Yeah, this is the one all the rappers be talking about though. The flying spur. I don't know what the deal is with that, but that's supposed to be.
That was thrill.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Magnum P.I. No La Ferrari here. It's Enzo. This is the Enzo. This is his last car before he died. You can see the ground through those. See that right there? Yeah, this is badass. This is $1.5 million. F360. Oh, that's sick. He's got this one's all flipped out, the carbon kit. No, that Ferrari didn't come with that.
Huh?
No, someone fixed that up. I don't think it came with
I
that.
don't believe it.
No, it's a Scudera, dude. They don't come with carbon fiber on the bottom. Maybe, but I don't think so. Look at the size of that brake disc, though. Holy. Wow. This is in stock. Look at that brake disc. It's as big as the wheel.